Most cyclists are flying blind. Here are the 4 numbers that actually decide if you'll crush your next race or crack halfway through. If you have a power meter, you have a performance management chart. It tracks fitness, fatigue, and form. But here's the part most people miss. Analyzing just today's power numbers is completely useless without understanding your long-term training load. Everything starts with TSS, or training stress score. It measures how hard a single ride was compared to your threshold. 1 hour exactly at FTP equals 100 TSS. An easy spin is about 50. A brutal century ride, think 250 to 350. Daily TSS feeds into CTL, your chronic training load. This is your actual fitness. A rolling 42-day average. Recreational riders sit around 50. Competitive amateurs hit 80 to 120. Pros 150 plus. You can't just buy a faster bike to fake this number. But training creates fatigue. That's your ATL, your 7-day average stress. It spikes after hard interval sessions and drops when you finally rest. This is your short-term exhaustion. The magic happens when we subtract fatigue from fitness. That gives us TSB, or training stress balance. This is your form. If you taper properly and hit between -10 and +15, you are perfectly race ready. Here's the trap I see constantly. Keeping your TSB below -30 for weeks. You feel productive because you're suffering, but you're actually just digging a hole. Stay down there over 2 weeks, and you'll hit overtraining. To track this, Training Peaks is the gold standard for $20 a month. If your budget is limited, start with intervals.icu. It's free and absolutely fantastic. Garmin Connect does the basics too. Just sync your power meter and go. The mistake most people make is chasing a high CTL with massive, random rides. A steady 70 built over months destroys a spiky CTL. Chase consistency, not peaks. Build the base, trust the math, and ride smart.